YouTube, what is up? Well, I got a little bit of heaven for you. Um, this is actually called Havven ICO, and I love 80s music, and whenever I am able to work it into one of my ICO cryptocurrency videos, by God, I'm gonna do it. So, what is Havven? It is a decentralized payment network that has two coins to allow for coin stabilization. So essentially, its aim is to do what Tether wanted to do, only a lot safer, a lot more secure, and without all of the controversy surrounding it. So let's take a look at the white paper. Just gonna go over a few highlights. So stable coins are cryptocurrencies designed for price stability. They're ideally effective at making payments as fiat currencies like the US dollar while retaining their other desirable properties. And what they're going to do is introduce a token whose price has the value of fiat currency. So Havven is a decentralized payment network where users transact directly in a price-stable cryptocurrency. Those who use it pay fees to those who collateralize the network, and they pay them for taking the risk for the collateral and the stability. The collateral providers are the ones who control the money supply. So there's two coins here. One is called the Namen coin. Should I probably short for nominal value, and the other the Havven coin. So the stable coin, which is the Namen coin, supply floats. Its price is measured in fiat, and they want that to be stable. The Havven token provides the collateral for the system, and has a static supply, and its market capitalization reflects the system's aggregate value. So the collateralization process begins with a confidence in the stability of the Namen token, which begins with over collateralization. So they're going to have more. They're going to put more currency in the system than is necessary to allow for decreases and increases in the supply. So basically, they're going to do that. They're going to collect those fees through transaction fees. So as people make transactions, send and receive, the holders of the Havven are going to be rewarded with those fees. So that's just a real high level overview. They present, a lot of the ICOs that I see don't present a real problem. It's kind of more of a made up problem or perceived problem, but they are really, their problem identification was very strong, and then their solution to solving that problem was strong as well. They have a really good management team, and this is not just like fluff, but they're going through and they're showing exactly through detailed algebraic calculations how they intend to do this. They have a prototype, or kind of like a system model of how it's going to work. So do your own research. This is not investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor. However, this looks like something that you should definitely research and look into. They are also giving away for the next, I would say week or so, about a week, 200 free tokens here. So I've got a link in the description. Click that link and claim, fill out the short form and claim your 200 free tokens. Probably should have mentioned that at the beginning, but yes. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And I've got some other really good. So this is like really high on my list. I would say probably the top 2 ICOs that I am looking at. I feel very good about this and the potential here. All right. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.